Unboxing and installation. Packing list. Laserbox. Smart smoke purifier. Smoke exhaust pipes. Pipe clamps. Power cord. Aviation connector. USB cable. User manual. Use the aviation connector to connect the smart smoke purifier and Laserbox. Use a pipe clamp to fix one end of the short smoke exhaust pipe to Laserbox. Use another pipe clamp to fix the other end of the pipe to the upper inlet of the smart smoke purifier. Use the last pipe clamp to fix one end of the low smoke exhaust pipe to the lower outlet of the smart smoke purifier, and place the other end at the window. Connect the Laserbox with the power cord. Press the button on Laserbox to power it on. Device connection and first use. Connect the Laserbox to your computer with a USB cable or network cable. Run the Laserbox software. Click Connect to a new Laserbox and select the corresponding options to complete the connection. You can also connect the Laserbox to the computer via Wi-Fi. For the initial Wi-Fi connection, use a USB cable or network cable to connect the Laserbox and the computer. Ensure the computer is connected to Wi-Fi. Connect Laserbox to the same Wi-Fi and enter the correct username and password to complete the connection. Unplug the USB cable or network cable after the device is successfully connected. To connect Laserbox to another computer, ensure that the computer has joined the same Wi-Fi network. Then click Connect to a networked Laserbox in the Laserbox software to search for and connect to nearby devices. Through Wi-Fi connection, Laserbox can be connected to up to 40 computers. Ensure that the device is connected. Choose a piece of material and put it into Laserbox. Equipped with a 5MP ultra-wide-angle camera, Laserbox can recognize the circular barcode on the material and automatically set the appropriate parameters for subsequent cutting and engraving. Importing local files or using the samples listed in our course case are allowed. By default, purple lines are for cutting and orange lines are for engraving. Adjust the cutting and engraving areas and parameters in the Settings panel on the right side. If no adjustment is required, drag and drop to change the image's size and position. Click the Start icon at the top right corner in the software interface, and the job duration will be displayed. Click the Track Preview icon to check the cutting or engraving track. Click Send. The button LED on Laserbox will flash blue. Press the button to start cutting or engraving. You can check the real-time job progress in the Laserbox software interface. To pause the current job, you can click the pause icon in the software interface, or press the button on Laserbox, or open the lid of Laserbox. To resume the current job, click the continue icon in the software interface, or press the button on Laserbox, or close the lid of Laserbox and press the button. When the job is paused, click the cancel icon in the software interface, or open the lid of Laserbox and long press the button for 5 seconds to cancel the current job. When the button LED on Laserbox turns green, the current job is completed. If there is any deviation from the planned cutting engraving track, go to Software Interface, Device Setting, Advanced, Image Correction. Cover the working area of Laserbox with 3 pieces of A4 paper according to the prompts. Close the lid and press the button on Laserbox. To start automatic collaboration, Laserbox can process various materials. If you often use uncertified materials, you can unfold the drop-down list at the top of the working interface to set up a parameter library by adding commonly used materials. The next time you use the same material, you can quickly find the appropriate parameters for cutting or engraving. That's all. Intelligent image extraction. Extract existing images. Put the object with the image to be extracted into Laserbox. Click the marquee icon in the toolbar on the left side. Select the image. Use the eraser tool to erase unwanted parts of the image, and click the confirm icon to complete extraction. Extract hand-drawn images. You can draw an image on a paper and extract it for further creation. That's all. Bring sketch to life. By default, red lines are for cutting and black lines are for engraving in the Bring Sketch to Life mode. To change settings, go to the Laserbox software interface. Settings, Advanced. Draw a picture on a piece of official material. Put the material into Laserbox and press the Start button on Laserbox. Laserbox will auto-start the job after identifying the picture. That's all. Custom design. The Laserbox software consists of a working page and a design page. On the left side of the design page is a toolbar, where you can select the relevant tools to insert graphics, components or text, or create an image directly. On the left side is a setting panel where you can set up relevant parameters for the image. For example, quickly merge images using the bowling operation, exclude top layer, opt in overlapping images, exclude overlapping images, or align, flip, or rotate images. We will now design a make block panda to demonstrate these functions. Insert images, set angle, adjust image size, merge images, align images, exclude top layer image, insert text, change the font, switch to the process page, set the cutting and engraving areas, confirm position, click send. Thanks for watching.